Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. All of you, open your textbook, page number 127. So, today let us study the poem My Heart Leaps Up. Before going through the poem, children, let us see the pre reading activity. Name the most beautiful thing you have seen. So, a rose, it is a most beautiful thing. Yes or no, children? What makes it beautiful? Its color, fragrance, shape, and size makes rose beautiful. Next, a rainbow. What makes it beautiful? Its many colors, lovely shape, and the sense of wonder it makes you feel makes it beautiful. This world is beautiful. We see a lot of beautiful things in the nature. So, there are many beautiful things in the nature. Because of that, this world also has become very beautiful. Beauty is seen in different places, in different forms and different shapes. So, beauty, it is seen in different places and different forms and different shapes. So also children, in this poem, the poet, he expresses his feeling when he sees a rainbow. He likes to see a rainbow and whenever he sees a rainbow, his heart leaps up, means his heart jumps up, springs up. Okay, so he expresses his feeling whenever he looks at the rainbow, and he wants the same feeling to be till his death whenever he sees a rainbow. The poet, he loves the nature very much. In this poem, he is describing about the nature, about his feelings about the nature and the rainbow. My heart leaps up. My heart leaps up when I behold a rainbow in the sky. So was it when my life began, so is it now I am a man. So be it when I shall grow old or let me die. The child is father of the man, and I could wish my days to be bound each to each by natural pity, by William Wordsworth. So let us look at the difficult words, children. Leap means jump or spring up. Behold means see or observe. Bound means a leaping movement towards or over something. Pity means the quality of being religious or reverential. Okay, children. So my heart leaps up. This is a poem written by William Wordsworth. Being a romantic poet, he is admiring at the wonders of nature. He loves and respects nature. Nature, it is a sacred thing to him. My heart leaps up when I behold a rainbow in the sky. He says that his heart leaps up. His heart jumps or springs up whenever he sees the beautiful and colorful rainbow in the sky. So was it when my life began, so is it now I am a man. The poet was filled with love by the rainbow since his birth. Now he is a young man, but still he is admiring at the rainbow. So it be when I shall grow old or let me die. The poet, he boldly assures that if his heart does not leap when he sees a rainbow in his old age, he is as good as dead. This means that he will still love nature until he is dead. The child is the father of the man. He recalls an old proverb. So, this is an old proverb that says the child is the father of the man. So, habits formed during childhood also never die with old age. He has a great wish